Hey everyone, it's me, Bryan teacher. Today, I'm going to tell you an interesting story. The story's name is Amazing Animal Senses. Are you ready? Then let's get started. We are animals, and we have senses too. I am a butterfly. I have long legs. I taste with them. I am a snake. I have a thin tongue. I smell with it. I am a spider. I have hairy legs. I hear with them.
I am a catfish. I have a big body. I taste with it.
How about you? Which sense do you use most? I use my sense of sight. I love to watch TV, read books, and play games with my eyes. My sense of sight. Okay, that's it. We're all finished. As always, thanks for listening, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.